Hi, I'm Jeff Andrews, Superintendent of Schools for the Catholic Diocese of Salina, and I want to share a update with you from our town hall meeting regarding the building project at Sacred Heart Junior Senior High School. We're looking to touch spirit, mind, and body, our faith, fine arts, and fitness. So quick update from what we talked about Wednesday at the town hall meeting. At Sacred Heart Junior Senior High School, we would like to move our faith at the front. So when you walk into Sacred Heart, you've got the office on one side and the chapel right on the other. This would turn the current library into our chapel right at the front of the building. Here's just a quick drawing that you would see of what it could look like. The architect will work closely with Father Frank Cody as we hash out some details. This would involve removing that metal pillar that is in the middle, so some architectural engineering things that would have to take place for there. This would increase the amount of students that we could have in the chapel as well. Plus, I think it would really bring forward our Catholicity in our hallways as students are walking back and forth instead of to get to the current chapel clear at the back by the lunchroom. This would be right at the front of the school where students walk by every single hour of the day. When we host basketball games or volleyball games or any events at the school, all the students and visitors would know that Sacred Heart Junior Senior High School is a Catholic institution, and maybe have a chance to walk into our new beautiful chapel as well. Here are some early drawings of what it would take place. So if you can see, you would be able to walk in from the hallway. That would be the back of the chapel, then all the way here down the middle. The altar would be towards the front, also pews on both sides. We'd have confessionals and sacristy. There would be doors by the front office. So this would be come in the front door. Here's the main office, or you could take a left and you'd be in the chapel. Same thing on this other side. So this is the entrance to the business office. Walk in through our doors, business office on your left, or take a right and go right in to the chapel. We're also going to make sure we improve the fine arts at Sacred Heart Junior Senior High School. So right now we're thinking about renovating the current weight room where it is at back by the lunchroom and making that a new art room so that everything back from the stage on would be a fine arts wing of the school. With our fine arts wing, we would also use the current chapel where it is, and that would become the band room. Right now, our students for band, everything is kept out there in the cafeteria and the lunchroom, and they practice there. So this would give the band room their own space for practice as well. Here's some early drawings of this. So current chapels right here. Be a few things we'd have to do to renovate this area, and then the art room would be moved to where the weight room is. We also want to help increase student engagement. So looking at this, we would build or renovate the 2 classrooms across from the current library, so where the new chapel is going to be, and make this kind of a student learning center or a commons area. Open up the wall that's in between those 2 classrooms and have some flexible seating, some great lighting, areas where students can collaborate and work together, but also areas where we could have our council meetings. This is where our library books and stuff would be too, even though libraries look different than they did in the past. But renovate a bright spot, open, welcoming area for our students to meet that'd be right in the middle of the building. So you can see right now, there's a classroom right here, and then also the current art room is right here. We'd remove this wall from between and add some flexible seating here for our students. And then we also want to help improve fitness. So fitness is a lifetime activity that we can do forever. Obviously, I probably need to do more of as well as I'm getting older. But this would be a new facility built parallel to the current gym. So this is just a sample picture that we have, but we would like to have new racks in there, some turf for agility drills, also some nets that could come down from the ceiling that could help with batting practice, pitching, maybe a chance to hit golf balls as well in there, but something that all of our students could utilize all the time. Quick drawing of this new facility would also have a boys and girls bathroom as well as a small office. Here is down here at the bottom, you would see this is where the locker rooms are. And so you'd be able to walk out those doors and get to the new fitness facility. Now, obviously, we're in the early planning stages of all this and just want to inform our families, parents, parishioners, and all our stakeholders about what some of the ideas are that we would like to do with this. So we're going to get a feasibility study going here in the next few weeks, probably early June, middle of June. So you may be getting some phone calls. So please engage in conversation with those doing the feasibility study as we look to try to renovate Sacred Heart Junior Senior High School to be a better atmosphere for all of our students and families. Thank you and have a great summer.